The compound interest on a certain sum in 6 years is 4000 rupees, and compound interest on same sum in 12 years become 9600 rupees. Then find the sum. The compound interest on certain sum in 6 years is 4000 rupees. See, in compound interest, for finding amount, formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. This will give you amount. Once you get amount minus principal will give you compound interest. Interest is amount minus principal. In this problem, given compound interest on a sum is not given, rate of interest is not given, but in 6 years it is 4000 rupees. So I can write it as P into amount, P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power 6. This is amount. Amount minus principal will give you compound interest. Okay, subtract principal, that is giving you compound interest 4000 rupees. And second condition, compound interest on same sum and same principal in 12 years, 1 plus R by 100 whole power 12 minus P is giving me compound interest 9600. And you need to solve these two equations to find P value, to find R value. And here requirement is sum. Finding sum is the requirement, and every time we do not write 1 plus R by 100, so I can replace this with, so I am replacing 1 plus R by 100, this one, with X. Now I can write the first equation, P into 1 plus R by 100 X power 6 minus P is equal to 4000. Second equation, P into X power 12 minus P is equal to 9600. First equation, take P common, X power 6 minus 1 is equal to 4000, and P into second equation, X power 12 minus 1 is equal to 9600. I have P, X, two variables are there, and P is multiplied, so I will do one thing, I will divide second equation by first equation, which implies second equation, P into X power 12 minus 1 is equal to 9600 divided by P into X power 6 minus 1 is 4000. Divide them, you will get X, P and P gets cancelled. X power 12 minus 1 by X power 6 minus 1. You can write numerator X power 12 minus 1 as X power 6 plus 1 into X power 6 minus 1. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So X power 12 minus 1 can be written as X power 6 plus 1 into X power 6 minus 1, and denominator is X power 6 minus 1 is equal to, on right hand side, 9600 by 40 hundreds, 2 zeros cancel, 8 12 times, 8 5 times is equal to 12 divided by 5. You can cancel X power 6 minus 1, X power 6 minus 1. So you are left with X power 6 plus 1 is equal to 12 by 5. If X power 6 plus 1 is 12 by 5, X power 6 is 12 by 5 minus 1, that is 7 by 5. So by solving these two equations, I am getting the value of X power 6. Now what is the requirement? Find the sum. Requirement is summation, and from first and second equations, from any of these two equations, you can replace X power 6 with a 7 by 5. I am considering first equation, this one. Consider this equation, Now P multiplied by x power 6. X power 6 is 7 by 5. 7 by 5 minus 1 is equal to 4000. P multiplied by 7 by 5 minus 1 is 2 by 5 is equal to 4000. 2 ones 2, 2000 times P is equal to 5 into 2000, 10,000 rupees. So sum borrowed is 10,000. Okay, you need to solve two equations. So that will give you x value. X is equal to 7, x power 6 is equal to 7 by 5. Substitute x power 6 in this equation, in any of these two equations, you'll get P value. P is 10,000 rupees.